Welcome to Acorn Development Environment. ADE is your gateway to illustrious and appealing HMI design. ADE is a low-code graphic development tool and is the only development tool you need from design to deployment. The entire HMI development process is composed of 3 phases: design, verification, and deployment. In the design phase, this tool offers visually appealing widgets and widget galleries that allows users to design HMI with ease. Our tool is a low-code development environment where users can simply set the properties of widgets for making widget function. A challenge in developing an HMI is to program the control and communication interfaces. In ADE, the nightmare is over. Users can go to our fast I/O configuration page and simply click and set the I/O or the communication interface. All can be done without writing a single line of code. The next phase of the development is verification. Once simulator is launched, the simulator emulates your target HMI design and you can start to interact with your design. Our tool supports what you see is what you get, and in this simulator emulates your target design with the same graphic details. Once the HMI design is done and verified, it is ready for deployment. The deployment is straightforward by connecting the USB cable between the PC and our Ubiquay panel, and then with a single click the downloading is done. No third-party tool or software is required. ADE is your tool of choice when it comes to HMI development. It is the tool that carries your project from design to deployment. Thank you for watching. ADE